How to get your TikTok account unbanned. So if one of your TikTok accounts has been banned, make sure you create another TikTok account in order to report your issue. So go ahead and tap on TikTok application first. Make sure you go ahead to the profile option. Now from here, go ahead and tap on hamburger icon at the top right. From here, go to Settings and Privacy. Now, from here, scroll down below and tap on Help Center. From here, go to Report a Problem. Now, from here, you can go through all these details and then tap on Need More Help. Now from here, you can tap on any of the article categories given, or else you can directly type in your message and send to TikTok support. So I'm going to type a message saying, "My account was banned." Now go ahead and tap on the send icon. With that, you will get a response from TikTok Support AI Assistant. If this step is not working, just go back and go to Main Settings page. From here, go to Security and Permissions. Now you can see the option of Help Friends Recover Accounts. Now from here, you can ask your friends to help recover your account. You can see the steps given over here. Follow it so that your friends would be able to help you recover your account. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.